Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I enjoy cooking with peppers a lot, either sauteed, fried, roasted, or simply raw. When it comes to roasting peppers, it's easy to do at home. They are packed with flavor and also have amazing nutritional benefits. Here's an easy way to roast your peppers. So my friends, let's get cooking. Here we have different peppers such as bell, jalapeno, and poblano. What we'll do is to cut each of them in half and we'll get rid of the stem. Next, we'll remove any seeds as well as cutting off the ribs, and we'll discard all of them. When all the peppers are cleaned, we'll place them flesh side down on a baking sheet lined with foil, lightly greased. We'll transfer to the oven under the boiler with the rack positioned in the middle, and we'll roast them until the skins blister and blacken, about 20 minutes. But halfway through cooking, we'll turn the sheet so the peppers cook evenly. When they're perfectly done, we'll remove from the oven, and what we'll do next is to transfer them to a bowl. We'll cover with foil and let them sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So when time is up, we'll remove the foil, which helps to steam the peppers and loosen up the skins. Now, either using your fingers or some kitchen tools, we'll remove the charred skin. I personally prefer using my clean fingers because I can feel if there's any skin left on the peppers. When this step is done, we'll roughly chop our peppers and continue with our recipe. If you're not using them right away, place the peppers in a jar or bowl with some oil. For more roasting options, please visit the website. As you saw in this video, roasting your peppers at home is very easy. Plus, you'll be reducing the amount of sodium versus the ones you buy from the grocery store. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!